Alright y'all, good morning. We out here at Animal Kingdom. And second to last day, so kind of sad. But we got some good fast passes, got Flight of Passage and Safari and Expedition Everest, so we about to be out here. There's a lot of construction going on here. We don't know what's going on. But yeah, I'm all decked out for Animal Kingdom today. So, what you think, Dad?
Yeah, we're at Animal Kingdom today.
Excited?
Looking forward to seeing the sights.
Yep.
Having a good day.
What are you most excited about?
Everest.
Everest.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Alright. I'm probably most excited about Flight of Passage. What about you, Tyler?
Flight of Passage.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Yes. Anyway, we out here. Tyler trying to cut. Look at Tyler trying to cut. Look at Tyler trying to cut in line.
To the forest. These ones that are the light tan color that have the white stripes, those are called greater kudu. Those are the females because only in the male family species do they have the horns. But they have the ability to hide really well, run very fast, and also can jump straight up in the air 6 to 8 feet. Very high jumpers, very fast runners.
Look
All
at him,
black
guys.
horns and white markings on them. These are the antelope that don't run from a fight. Anything that challenges them, they stand their ground. Anything that tries to leap on their back, they take their sharp horns and throw them off.
Look at that bull.
Then the cattle over here on our are standing around the
More
shade.
elephants, guys.
They also use their ears to fan themselves. It cools themselves down too. Right, of the rest of the group. And the female lions are actually the ones that go out and do the hunting. They'll get the meat, they bring it back, and it's all shared with the group. There you get a little better picture of his
there he goes.
face there. He's got his head turned over towards
There
this
he
way.
is. All right, Expedition Everest time. Woo -woo. Fast passes, guys. So excited. Yes. Guys, there's Kevin. Look at him. Oh, he's so cute. Hey, Kevin. Alright, y'all. We did Expedition Everest and we rode Dinosaur, so that was fun. And now we are in line waiting to get to Festival of the Lion King, which is my favorite show, daytime show in all of Disney World, so that's fun. And we're trying to dodge all of these bugs, these love bugs apparently, that are like all around Disney World. And we've never had an issue with this, y'all. They're like everywhere. It's like a sea of them. So, anywho, it's very interesting. If anybody knows why, tell me in the comments below. So, anyway, I'll catch y'all later.
It's our problem free. Philosophy or tuna matata.
Favorite land, y'all. Favorite land. Woo, okay. Drum ceremony. Alright, y'all, so this is unheard of. Flight of Passage is a 45-minute wait. That is insane.
Yep.
Isn't it?
People wanted to wait for a picture when it was at 30.
Well,
now it's back to 45.
Yeah, we probably shouldn't
Y'all want
have
to wait
took the
for a
freaking
picture because you could have waited after.
I agree.
Well, then why don't you? What are you talking?
Anyway.
Oh my God.
Anyway, so we in here, we doing it. But it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be good. It's when you do the fast pass, this stuff right here. It's so cool. Look at this, y'all. This is why this is my favorite land. This is my favorite ride of all of Disney World. So awesome.
And conflicts with the Na'vi. Just like on Earth, it can take decades for ecosystems to recover. One way to understand what's going on with an ecosystem is to study what are called keystone species.
All right, y'all, so me and Tyler actually, y'all saw we just rode Flight of Passage. We stood in the standby line. It's about a 45-minute, 50-minute wait, which isn't bad for Flight of Passage, but we actually had fast passes for it too. So now me and Tyler get to do it again. So here we are again, back like we never left, What you think?
It's always an amazing ride.
Always good?
Always good.
Good. What you think, Dad? Great. Yep. Gotta go this way. Just kidding. Yeah. Second time, just as good. It was good. Best ride ever. Alright, y'all. Ooh. It is bright. Okay. So, we did Cali River Rapids. I put my poncho on so I did not get wet. And then we did It's Tough to Be a Bug, and now we're heading to Pizza Safari for dinner. So, it's been a good Animal Kingdom day. Y'all know it's my favorite part, so just love the music and the vibes. It's better than any other park in my opinion, so. But anyway, just wanted to check in. How's the day been?
Good.
Good? Favorite part?
Flight of Passage.
Yeah. We got to do it twice. So that was awesome. And yeah, anyway, bye. All right, y'all. Oh, thanks. So Pizza Safari is family style. So they brought out 2 salads. And then we'll get pizza. So yeah, and then they'll bring out your pizza. So I'm excited. I'm excited. All right, y'all, as you can see, there's the Animal Kingdom sign. We are heading out. We finished dinner, and yeah, so today was a good day. We pretty much did everything to do in Animal Kingdom, and awesome. I even bought a little something, so y'all will probably maybe see that in a haul video coming up. So be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for it. And we are, ooh, okay, we are done. What y'all got to say about today? It's a wrap. In the vlog, Dad.
We'll see you tomorrow. Same bat time, same bat channel.
All right.